So today we are going to discuss about if one person is a customer from our company point of view. For example, if you take Nikki. Nikki is a customer for my company and she is a vendor for my company. In that case, how to do the process, what is the concept. Okay, that means first I am going to purchase a raw material from me. After that, with reference to that material, I am going to produce one product from X product. Yeah. See, I have purchased raw material from Nikki. After purchasing raw material, with reference to the raw material, I have prepared one finished product. The same product I am going to sell to the customer. Okay? In my company, one person is going to play the dual role. He is a customer for me and he is a vendor for me. Okay? First, I am going to create a customer and vendor. FK01. Create one customer. So this is a vendor. This time creating the vendor. Our company code is TAM8. Just I am giving name is ABC, some ABC name. Vendor name is ABC. First I am creating one vendor.
ABC is not name of the customer, yeah?
Yes, a vendor name.
Oh, vendor? Okay.
Yeah. First I am creating one vendor. With the same name I am going to create one customer. Okay?
Okay.
This is the way we are going to be discussing already how to create a vendor, right? Next, same way I will create the customer with the same name ABC, name of ABC, FD01. Name is ABC, okay? Company code. Save, okay? Now, so already we discussed up to here how to get the customer and how to create the vendor. But there is a two important points here. How the system knows if the person is same as a customer and vendor. How you are going to view the link between vendor and the customer. Okay? That one I will show you. FD02. Customer change. Here in the general data tab, go to control data. Here there is an option for vendor, right? This is the customer number. In the customer master, we have the option vendor. The same number as a vendor, what is the number you have given for ABC? That number we will assign here. What will happen with reference to this? We can able to know this person is going to play a dual role as a customer and vendor. Okay? So, ABC. Either here you can assign or else you can go and assign vendor master. Second place it is updated automatically. Now I am assigning the customer master. After saving, if you go and check the vendor master, the customer number also will be updated. Automatically it will happen. I'll show you after saving this. And one more point is in the company code level, there is a one checkbox, clearing with vendor. This option also we have to select. Save it. Now, if this is customer master, we are giving the updation of vendor number. If you go and check the customer master, automatically, sorry, if you go and check the vendor master, the customer number will be updated automatically. See, customer. This is the customer number, right?
So anytime we want to check the customer number, we have to go through the control?
Yeah, here. In this tab it is available. The control tab. Okay?
Okay. So I can use that.
And here also we have to check this checkbox, clearing with customer. There we have selected clearing with vendor checkbox selected. Here we are selecting clearing with customer. Okay? Save it. Okay. Now we created the customer, we created the vendor, and we giving the link between the customer and vendor. Coming to transaction point of view. First, I am going to raise one purchase entry, F-43. This time selecting ABC. $10,000 I am giving. Purchase value will be 10,000 value. Invoice posting 40. Raw material GL. Save it. Okay, I have posted one entry for purchases point of view. One more entry for sales point of view. F-22 for sale entry. So there is a number in the same. One second. $50 sales yield. Save this. And save it. So this is the sales. Now, what is the next activity? You go and see the customer report and the vendor report both. PL1 and for vendor report. Here what we done? I have purchased raw material worth of $10,000 and we sell the $6,000 value. This is the customer number. execute. Normally, if you execute only this amount, this value only will become. This is the purchase value in this report. There is no other information if you even if you go down also, right? 10,000. But in the same report, actually, what is this person role? He in my company, he is playing as a customer and he is playing as a vendor role. So in the same report, do you want this person complete report, whatever the purchases he done, whatever the sales we done, the total information. If you want against this person, go back. Here we have the option. This is the vendor report. In the vendor report, do you want as a customer line items? Select this and execute. What will happen? Yeah, customer related, what is the entry you have posted, that information also will become in the same report. See, 10,000 is down. See, this is the 6,000 customer point of view. Finally, what is the balance? 4,000 rupees. If you pay, that is enough. Okay? This is the vendor point of view report. Now I will show you customer report also. /L. So next report will be FBL 5M. This is for customer report. See, normally if you execute only customer information, it will show $6,000 the sale value. If you go down, there is no information. In this report, actually this is the customer point of view. If you want vendor information also, same way. Here we have to select the vendor line display report. Here we have the option vendor items. Execute. Let's see, this is a vendor, $10,000. As a customer, $6,000, $4,000 is the remaining balance. Okay? Next, coming to the next continuation. Okay, what is the next? For example, here, as per our postings, 10,000 purchase value, 6,000 is the sales value. The remaining 4,000, if you pay, all the entries, no, all are the open items. So what will happen after paying? If you no need to pay individually. For vendor point of view, 10,000, customer point of view, 6,000, not required. Instead of that, both entries we are going to consolidate. 10,000 value purchase is over, sales will be 6,000. If you pay remaining 4,000 to vendor, that is enough. All entries is going to clear. That is one scenario. Next scenario is, in the first scenario, vendor amount is high. Second scenario, if the customer amount is high, that means when I have purchased only 12,000 value and the sale will be 20,000. What will happen? The customer value will be high. Customer has to pay to us. In that case, the customer out of 20,000, 12,000 he will reduce by we have purchased the material from him worth of 12,000 rupees. The remaining 8,000 the customer is going to pay to us. If the customer amount is high, he will pay. If the vendor amount is high, we are going to pay. Okay? As per this scenario, vendor amount is high. Actually, from vendor we purchase a 10,000 material, 6,000 material, 6,000 value of the product we sell. In that case, 4,000 balance we have to pay to the vendor. I'll show you. Payment F-53 /N F-53. ₹4,000 payment, cost vendor number, $6,000. posted. Now, if you go and check, all items will be clear. Selecting all items, both vendor line item will be clear, customer line item will be clear. See, this is KJ here, 10,000 was clear, 0. Come down. See, this is 6,000 also clear. Okay? This is the, if the person is playing a dual role, that means he is a customer and he is a vendor. This is the way we are going to do. Coming to next concept, dunning. Dunning is nothing but a remainder letters. If the customer is dunning, D-U-N-N-I-N-G, dunning. Dunning. Dunning is the reminder letters to the customer against their dues. Whatever the invoices are there, whatever the payments are due, against to that we are going to send the reminder letters to them. Okay? For that we have to do the, see, there is a configuration. With reference to configuration, in the configuration level, we are going to specify what is the rules and regulations for the dunning letter, how many dunning letters do you want to send, what is the gap between the first letter and second letter and second letter and third letter, is there any charges to send, we are sending a letter, against to the sending a letter, do you want to charge any amount as a charges, all the information we are going to specify in that configuration part. As per your configuration, you are going to run one processes with reference to that the system is going to generate the letters. That letter we call as a dunning letter. In that letter contains what is the how much amount you are due, how many days onwards it is due, is there any charges on that, all the information this letter will be contained. Okay? For that we are going to do the first configuration part. SPRO. Financial accounting. Goods and payables. Business transactions. Outgoing payments. Yeah, it is dunning.
Dunning.
Yeah, dunning. Dunning procedure. Define dunning procedure.
You said what the meaning of dunning?
Dunning is the reminder letters to the customer.
Oh, okay.
New procedure. I am giving auto of Nico. Description. Here dunning intervals. Dunning intervals in the sense how many letters do you want to, dunning intervals in the sense what is the gap between to send a letter from one letter and second letter, how many days gap, that gap is specified. Number of dunning levels in the sense how many letters do you want to send, 1 letter, 2 letters, 3 letters, maximum how many letters, 3 letters I am giving.
Okay.
But maximum in SAP we can able to provide 9 letters, minimum your wish, how many do you want we can maintain. Next one is there an extra time do you want to give to the customer, that you can specify here, like grace time. I am not specifying anything.
What's the meaning of grace period?
Grace period in the sense, if you want to give any extra time against to the open items. Okay?
Okay.
See, next, click on dunning levels. See, based on your previous configuration, that means you set in the previous screen, three levels you have. That is the reason 1, 2, 3. What is the gap between 1 level and 2 level? 5 days. First level is 0. After 5 days, second letter. After 5 days, third letter will become. Okay? Always done. All letter will be sent, it is a legal notice. Next, any charges. We are sending a letter, we are preparing the letter and we are going to send a courier to them. Against the courier, we have to do some, we have to pay some amount. So all the things, if you want to, all the things do you want to collect from the customer, here we are going to specify in the charges. INR. See, this is the first letter on $1,000, $10 is the charges. Second letter, $100. What is the amount and how much amount do you want to charge? Same amount I am giving. Third letter also, minimum 100. If it is 100, $10. I am planning to give. If you want to specify the percentage base, you can specify the percentage also.
Okay. From this amount is $100 amount of
due, customer due amount.
Oh,
it is.
okay.
If the customer is $100 due, we are going to charge 10. Minimum 100. If it is less than, we don't charge. Okay?
Okay.
Next, minimum amount. Minimum amount in the sense, for example, I have two customers. A is a one customer, B is another customer. So A customer has the $200 due, B customer has the $10 due. Okay? The letter I am going to give the instruction to the system. Minimum, if any customer has the due $100, then only we are going to send a letter. If it is less than $100, we don't do the letters. Okay? In that condition, for A it will send, B doesn't send. Why? Minimum $10, $5, we are not ready to send. Why? If you send, again the charges is more than that amount, right? Because of that, here we are going to specify if any customer, if any customer, do you want to send a letter, running letter, what is the minimum amount? I'll send you. For first letter, it will be $100. Second letter, it will be $100. Minimum amount I am saying for sending the letter. See, this is the amount. Next one is, so configuration is part is over. What I said, automatically the system is going to generate the letters. In that letter, what is the format do you want to maintain? That format, the text. The text format we are going to specify in here. TM8 and company code, new company code, and select these things. Save it. And here, now again click on text and your company code. Here you are going to specify in the your format, text format. So click this button, click this button, click on details. This is the form. This form you can select. The same thing for the remaining two levels also. This is the first level, the second level, for third level. Okay? Save it. Save it. Come back. Save. These are the instructions. What we done till now in the running procedure? I given the instruction to the system. How many levels do you want to send? What is the gap between the first level and second level? Is there any grace period are you providing to the customer? And what is the minimum amount to send a letter to the customer? What about the charges? How much amount do you charge from the customer? And what is the text format do you want to maintain? All the information you will give in the configuration level instruction to the system. Next, we are going to run in the dunning. If you want to run the dunning to any customer, first we have to assign this dunning procedure to the customers. Customers FD02, customer master change. FD02/FD02 select ABC. Here there is an option correspondence. There is option dunning procedure. Here you can assign your dunning procedure. CTM8. Same way for another customer. How many people do you want this procedure? Number of customers you can assign, no issue. For this guy also I am assigning. Just both names like given ABC, just I'm changing the name. Just I'm giving the name is volume. Okay, learning procedure is assigned. What next? I have to post. If they have the due, then only we can able to run the learning. So I am going to post few invoices with old dates. That's 22 sale invoices. First ABC, I am posting 10,000. Sale invoice 50, sales year. Old rate. 1/12/2014. $2,000 and gave. Select model $2,000. So I have posted 2 entries for the 2 customers. One let's see the FBL 5M. FBL 5M report. FBL 5M. This is one entry, $2,000, and one entry is $10,000. Now, for these 2 persons, I am going back to central ladder. Further, the transaction code is F150. This will be like automatic payment process. Same way, the date I am giving 1, 4. So in today's date I am giving D1 I am giving. Telling means any identification you can give your wish, anything it will be accepted. Just D1 I am giving equals to done. First letter we are sending. That is the reason D1 I have specified. Parameters.
What's the meaning of D1? Oh, one D1. customer first. Okay.
That is your wish. Anything you can select that identification.
Okay.
There is no issue. Up to Running date, today's date I'm giving, turning up to whatever the postings you done today's up to today's date I'm giving. Company code TAM8. Here give the customer numbers. To whom do you want to send the letter? These two guys. Save. After saving, click on status. First we are going to do the scheduler. This is the printer device LP01 output device name I will give. This is the standard output device. Now start immediately. Running with the scheduling. Click on schedule. This way, running is completed. Like one more step is there. 1 second, just I want to check something. See, to whom, how much amount you are planning to send, the system is showing. It is 2000, it is 10,000. The due status it is shown here. Next one is sample printout. Same thing, LPG11 output device, continue. Print. So it is processing. 1 second, I check the thing. See here. Once again, I will come back and I will show you once again. So it refers to this process, the running letters was generated. How can we know where it is generated, which information it has? The transaction code is SP01. SP01. Okay? This screen will become, once again I will show you, SP01. Enter, this screen will become execute. So here there are two letters are there. One for two customers, two letters it is generated. If you click this button, the letter will be open. This is the first ball, today's date. So what is the customer number? This it. Next, page down. First letter, description. Dear sir, madam, this invoice is still below due to payments. What is the due amount? 10,000. From what date it is posted? 1 month. How many days onwards it is area? 13 days. This is first letter we are sending. Clear? Like this, the system will show you the information. Now, if you go and check another letter, second letter. This is the second letter. Okay, letters were generated. One more point here. See, I have done 10 customers. 10 customers, few customers I have on the dunning, so the customer ID process. In that case, how can I know to whom I have on the dunning, to whom I did from the dunning process? This information, if you go and check your dunning, your customer master, you can identify, and also you can identify for any person what date this process was done. That one also you can know, and how many letters do you send to the customer, that information also we know. I'll show you. Now go to customer master /FD0, customer master change, enter. Go to company code data, go to correspondence. Here you have, see, last done 14-1, how many levels do you send? 1 level, right? So this is the way we are going to run the dunning process.